Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th part of our Blender tutorial series, and in this exercise we can create something using cone object. We can make a rocket. Press Shift A, go to Mesh and choose cone. Expand Operative panel at the left corner, and you can change some properties if you want. The radius 2 here refers to the top of the cone and radius 1 refers to the bottom. So if I make any changes on radius 2, it will be reflected here at the top. I will just move a little bit here. You can see that the pointed edge is cut down. Go to edit mode and choose face select. Click on the bottom face and press E key to extrude and drag it down. Looks good. Now let us add some loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R. If you scroll the mouse wheel, you can see that the loop cut gets increased. If you scroll once, you will get an additional loop cut. If you scroll twice, you can get 2 loop cuts, and it goes as per the number of scrolls you make. I just need 2 loop cuts for now, so I will just scroll once and left click, just move my mouse downwards and I will just place here. So I will do left click again. Now if I need to move this single loop cut to somewhere upwards or downwards, I just need to hold on Alt key and click over it and press G key on the keyboard. If you move this, you can see that the geometry goes in a irregular motion. To avoid this, you need to press G again. Now you can move the loop cut steadily. I will just bring it a little down. I will just place it here. Left click to confirm. And now let's try to extrude this area a little bit outwards. And to do it, we need to pick the face select tool and Alt press, click somewhere and go to extrude region, and we can't attempt to extrude the faces just like we did before because the cylinder is separated here. So if we do any mistakes like this, just press Ctrl Z to undo. Now go here and long press on the extrude region and pick extrude along normals. Now click and drag on the little yellow icon. The point right here where the cone meets the cylinder is not smooth, so we can add some bevel here. Choose edge select and Alt press on your keyboard and click somewhere on the line. Go and choose bevel tool and just click on the yellow icon here, drag it a little upwards. You can also scroll your mouse wheel to make more meshes. If you scroll upwards, you can see the meshes getting increased. If you scroll down, you can see that the meshes are getting reduced. I will just add enough meshes here so that it will look a little more solidified. My design is complete. I will go back to object mode, and this is one way you can create a rocket model using cone.